In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply background to all slides on Google Slides. If you're building a presentation and want every slide to share the same look, there are two simple ways to do it. I'll walk you through both, explain when to use each, and share a few practical tips so your slides look clean and consistent. First up is the fastest option, perfect when you just need a unified background right now. Open your presentation in Google Slides, then go to the slide menu and choose Change Background. Here, you can pick either a solid color or an image. Choose the style that matches your content. For example, a subtle light color keeps text easy to read, while a branded image can make title slides stand out. Once you've made your selection, click Add to Theme. This is the key step that applies your choice to every slide in the deck in one go. After that, click Done. Instantly, your entire presentation adopts the new background, saving you from updating slides one by one and keeping everything consistent. If you want more control over your design foundation, use the theme editor. This is the best route when you're preparing templates or building a professional, cohesive look. Go to the slide menu and select Edit Theme. A panel opens with a set of layouts on the left. Click the top master slide, which sits above all layouts. This master controls the default look and ensures consistency across your entire deck. Set your background here, again choosing either a color or an image. Aim for something that complements your fonts and doesn't compete with text or charts. When you're satisfied, close the theme editor. Because you made the change at the master level, that background becomes the default for all slides that use the theme, helping you maintain a polished, uniform design. To recap the choice between the two, using Add to Theme from Change Background is the quickest one-click way to apply a background across every slide. It's ideal for fast updates or quick branding. Editing the theme through the master slide gives you deeper presentation-wide control and is the best approach when you're designing for consistency and professionalism. That's it. With these two methods, you can apply a background to all slides in seconds or build a rock-solid design system for your entire deck. Choose the path that fits your workflow, and your slides will look aligned, clean, and ready to present.